One piece of advice
that I would give to anyone that's deciding to come to UConn
would just be to join anything and everything.
Definitely get involved as soon as you get here.
The involvement fair is a great opportunity.
Try something completely out of your comfort zone.
Find what you're most passionate about and pursue that.
When it comes to making friends, number one, don't worry.
It kind of just happens naturally.
Don't be afraid, just put yourself out there.
Invest in those that you really, really care about and that would do anything for you.
The app I couldn't survive without.
My UConn. Two features that we use all the time. Number one is the dining hall menu. Number two is the bus tracker.
Without it, I'd be walking. I'm not a big walker.
I was looking at it today and I didn't realize it had so much other stuff.
When it comes to UConn traditions, number one has to be Husky Thaw.
One-ton Sundays.
Definitely foosball.
You have to touch Jonathan's nose.
Paint the rock.
I think the best tradition itself is the great friends you'll make here.
And anytime somebody does the UConn chant and says UConn, make sure you reply with Huskies.
UConn Huskies!
Not being afraid to engage with your professors.
And you find that professors are people too, you know?
We don't bite. We're there for you. We're friendly.
They really just genuinely want to make sure that you're doing well.
I love UConn because of all the amazing people.
This is the only time in your life you'll have the ability to be around so many people from different backgrounds.
We say students to the Huskies forever. They actually mean that.
The Husky Nation that we have here is just such a strong support system.
Truly, I have UConn to thank for allowing me to grow as an individual.
These are going to be the fastest 4 years of your life.
I can't believe that I'm leaving in a couple months.
Don't wish a day of it away.
Dive in head first.
Enjoy every second, every moment of it.
UConn has been probably the best 4 years of my life.
So have fun, enjoy it, and study hard.